drawing the cherries, what you want to do is make 2 circles. It doesn't have to be the same size. And now we're gonna draw the stem that connects to the cherries. Like this, just like a rectangle, but not finished on the bottom. And if you want, you could add a leaf. I'm gonna add a leaf. Now comes for the fun part. We're gonna add faces to our little cherries. They can be different as you want them to be. Okay, now we're done with the cherries. Okay, now we're moving on to the ice cream. First, make the cone, an upside down triangle, but not finished. And we can add these little lines on an ice cream cone. Now, we're going to make the ice cream on top. You can choose as many scoops of ice cream as you want. I think I'm gonna probably do 2. One tiny, one big. You can choose to add faces on the ice creams. I think I'm gonna add simple faces. Okay, we're done with this. To add a little bit more jazz to it, what we can do is make a background or add little items on it. So what I'm gonna do with my background is I'm gonna make a hand starting from over here, and I'm gonna make it look like a person is gonna be grabbing the cone. There's the hand. So, and then person's gonna be wearing a shirt like that. It's gonna be a little kid. And for the cherry, I think I'm gonna add some detail to the leaves. And now let's make a plate, cherries on a plate, and just draw other fruits on them. You can even make a little cut outline with the cherry. There, I made some little, grapes. So now comes with the coloring. For the cherry, I of course have to use red. Your coloring does not have to look perfect. You can use whatever kind of colors you want. Okay, I'm done with coloring the cherries. Before I color the background with the cherries, I think I'm gonna do the ice cream cone before the cherry background. I'm gonna use some orange and making it really light. There, for the cone, there, some orange. Now you can pick whatever kind of flavors you want, which will represent the color. The top one will probably be blue bubblegum flavored. I think it should be a chocolate red velvet flavored. Amazing flavor that I created. There we go. Now time for the background part. What I think I would do was, this kid had a boo-boo and his mom, this is the story that's going with the picture. His mom decided to get him something so he'll feel better. Yeah. And I'm sure it's gonna be red. And for the plate, I think we should use some of this nice black for the outline of the plate. And the plate inside is gonna be white. And for the grapes, you can use many different kinds of grapes, but I want green grapes. If you want, you can add other stuff like the sun, even though the ice cream is supposed to be melting. It's fine. And we can add it like a table, like a tray. This kid took something from the tray because he had an accident. And decorate the tray with like flowers. And yeah. Now, let's color in everything. And the tray, which is this outline, I'll just color in some little squiggles inside it. And done. This is the results of the picture with the 2 little cherries and the ice cream cone. If you want, you can even label their names. Finished results and the picture that I drew for the little cherry and the ice cream cone. Feel free to add whatever kind of fruits, vegetables, snacks you want. So, bye. Please like, subscribe, and I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Bye. Love you all.